Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Dodge Charger RT Plus in Frostbite. With bifunction HID projector headlamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 4-piston fixed caliper brakes, high-performance suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, sport mode, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, cjd.com, stock number D7080.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.